In this video, I'll show you how to download your code from Replit step by step. Right now, I'm on my Replit dashboard where all my projects are listed. On the left side of the screen, click on Apps, and then select the project you want to download your code from. I'll open one of my existing projects as an example. Once the project loads, you'll see a preview area and, on the right side, the file browser that contains all your folders and files. You can explore them one by one to check what's inside. You can click on any file, such as a Python or HTML file. If you only want to download a specific folder, move your mouse over that folder, click the three dots next to its name, and choose Download Folder. This will immediately start downloading that particular folder to your computer in zip format. But if you want to download the entire project, look for the three dots next to Files at the top of the file list. Click on it and select Download as Zip. This will include every file and folder from your project, allowing you to easily open and work with it locally. You can also make any changes before downloading. Just click into a file, make your edits, and Replit will automatically save them for you. Then download the updated version whenever you're ready, and that's all you need to do. You've successfully downloaded your code from Replit, and now have a full backup or local copy you can continue working on. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more practical and easy tech guides.